Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the foundation. Check input levels so peaks sit near -6 dB to -3 dB. Use 24-bit at 44, 1 or 48 kHz for headroom and fidelity. Once you have a clean take, duplicate the region and disable the copy so you always have a safety track. Make sure low latency monitoring is enabled to avoid timing issues. These steps prevent clipping and give you room to process without destroying dynamics, which streamlines every correction. Next, you build the performance. Comp the best phrases with quick swipe and trim lines so breaths are controlled, removing only 1030 ms to preserve realism. Once done, apply flex pitch for targeted pitch moves, correct notes, not expression, keep modulation and vibrato intact. Then use flex time to nudge timing, focusing on transients so the groove stays human. Make sure to audition in context to avoid phase or tuning artifacts. Small, deliberate changes keep the vocal believable. Finally, you polish. Start with a high pass near 80-120 Hz and surgically cut resonances with a narrow Q to clear muddiness. Compress with a 2:1:4:1 ratio for control, then blend in parallel compression to add body without squashing transients. Use a de-esser to tame sibilance before reverb sends, choose plate for presence or room for space, and automate send levels for verses and choruses. If phase issues or harshness appear, bypass plugins one at a time to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.